Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about two special words, he and she. These two words help us talk about people. Let's start with he. When we talk about a boy or man, we use the word he. Also, when we talk about male, we are talking about a word that helps us describe boy and men. For example, brother, he is my brother. Father, he is my father. Grandfather, he is my grandfather. Here, brother, father and grandfather are describing as males. Now, let's talk about she. When we talk about a girl or a woman, we use the word she. Also, we use the word female to talk about girls and women. For example, sister, she is my sister. Mother, she is my mother. Grandmother, she is my grandmother. So, sister, mother and grandmother are describing as females. Now, let's learn how to use he and she in daily sentences for males and females. First, let's talk about the use of he. So, our first example is Karthik. He is a boy. He goes to school. He is my best friend. Moving to another example. This is Mr. Mark. He is a policeman. He keeps us safe. He wears a uniform. Next example. This is Raj. He is a doctor. He is my father. He saved many lives. This is Jack. He is a postman. He brings letters. He works very hard. Now let's use she for females. This is Mary. She is 5-year-old. She goes to school. She has a new toy. Our next example is Lily. She is really pretty. She is a student. She wears a headband. Next example is Sophia. She is very kind. She is a nurse. She works very hard. Next example. This is Priya. She is tall. She is a dancer. She can jump high. Now, it's time to practice some amazing exercise by filling the blanks. Are you ready? Let's start. This is John. Dash is a farmer. We use he for male and John is a male. So, he is a farmer. Next example is this is Julie. Dash is a student. We use she for females and Julie is a female. So, she is a student. Now, it's your turn. Our first question is this is Rohan. Dash is a boy. Great job! He is a boy. Next question is this is Olivia. Dash is a singer. Right answer. She is a singer. Next question is this is Henry. Dash is a pilot. Wonderful! That's right. He is a pilot. Next question is, this is Ella. Dash is a chef. Great job! That's right, she is a chef. This is Brian. Dash is a cricketer. Fabulous! He is a cricketer. Our last question is, this is George. Dash is a fireman. Fantastic! He is a fireman. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.